Hi there, everybody. I'm Greg Tusig, Mortgage Man.
And I'm Esther Beatty.
We're here with Choice Home Mortgage. Our website is choicehm.com. We are here today to talk about an article we recently posted called What is a Reverse Mortgage and How Does It Work? So,
What is a reverse mortgage? Let's start with the basics of that. First of all, it has a very bad name.
Bad.
We like to use the word conversion, really. The word converting.
Do we?
Either
Do we?
forward or reverse, backwards, forwards.
It's a mortgage. It's a mortgage. A mortgage. You can
But
pay
what-
it, you don't pay it, forget about it.
Correct.
You could pay it half the time. You could use it like a credit line.
There's many options available.
You could call it a carpet mortgage.
Like your mustache?
you.
He's got a carpet mortgage on his face today. Or every day.
So
Anyway.
a reverse.
Wrap it up. Let's go. Okay, so basically, in a nutshell, a reverse mortgage is a opposite of a forward mortgage. You are not required to make a payment to the bank for the mortgage. You are able to, it's actually only set aside for seniors.
Give some examples. Example.
Examples.
If you owe $100,000 on your mortgage, people like stories.
Okay, let's tell them a story.
I'm gonna give a good story. So, and here's the numbers.
Okay.
So if you owe $100,000, you could pay it like it's a regular mortgage, and it goes down. If you don't pay it, that $100,000, the interest accumulates on the back end.
Correct.
Break it down, chunk it down, keep it simple.
Chunk it down.
You know?
So basically, you're using
Have
your
more
equity.
time to back that up, put that in reverse, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. Ages, it's really set aside for seniors. There is a program available. Unlike what the article said, most of them require you to be 62. But there is another program available that you may be eligible for at the age of 55. So, again, you would have to call the reverse mortgage expert here, Gregory Tusing, and he'll let you know if you qualify. But let's go back to the basics. Who does this help? This helps seniors. Why? Because you've been paying for all this time into your mortgage and you have built up all this equity. And what are you doing in your retirement years? Are you on a fixed income with Social Security?
Do your kids want you moving into their house? Don't think so. Just saying.
I mean, there's ways that you can use the equity. You can set it up with a line of credit like Greg was talking about. Or if you want all the funds that you are able to get up front, that's another option. However, it's all determined upon what your appraised value comes in at. And of course, to determine on your life expectancy, you have to, they only lend up to a certain amount depending upon your age and everything. And what's great, you love the part about spouses.
Mm-hmm. You got a younger lady? Well, let me tell it like this. So if you pass and you have a reverse mortgage and your girlfriend, wife is 20 years younger and she lives longer, she doesn't get kicked out of the house. She still gets to live in it if she's on the mortgage.
Without paying the mortgage payment if she
So
doesn't.
you have a life estate, basically. They can't kick you out. It's a great program.
Yeah. And there's different ways to receive your funds, like we were talking about before. One way would be with a line of credit option, right?
Mm-hmm. Or a lump sum.
Or a lump sum. There's also plans where you could take like a little bit of it every month. You could get a portion of the funds preceded to you every month, or if you don't want to take it all at once. And your line of credit, I love the line of credit options because they continue to grow over the life of the loan, which helps a lot of people, you know, say for instance in 10 years from now, you need access for funds for a new roof, but you don't have the ability to go and get a loan at the bank for a regular loan. This will help you in that circumstance. So you just call your company that's servicing your loan and you ask for the funds that you need to pull out of a lump sum. But
yeah,
what would you say the pros and cons are?
You know, it's funny because when you read the cons, I don't really think there is a con. I mean, potentially maybe a higher rate, a little bit higher rate. If you're rate sensitive, this option, you know, it gives you options. You don't have to pay the mortgage, so it's going to be a little higher in cost. But if you look at the flexibility, Kind of a no-brainer.
Yeah, I mean, the variable loan options, they're non-recourse. It used to not be that way. That's why they got a really bad name. Now, literally, like, they have them set up where non-recourse means that your house is not going to foreclose. So the only way that the loan ever becomes due and payable is if you literally leave the premises for more than like 12 months. If it doesn't sell within 12 months, if you have it up on the market.
Yeah. But you could always sell your home.
But you can always sell it.
And there's nothing different. There's no, forget all the bad stigma. But you can't lose your home. Your heirs could inherit it. You could sell it at any time. It's a great mortgage. So if you are 62 or even 55, give us a call.
Yeah, for sure.
And just keep it in a nutshell. That's about it. That's all I got.
Yeah. So again, if you're interested in talking further about a reverse mortgage, call us. We're your experts to help you understand a little bit. Maybe it's meant for you. Maybe it's not. Maybe a forward's meant for you. But it's really helpful for those that are, stuck on a fixed income that don't qualify for a forward mortgage. It's a way to live out your good retirement years.
Yeah, don't be stressed on money. Forget about it. Jeez.
Yeah, go on vacation. Go see your grandbabies.
Take it easy.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for tuning in this week. We're going to keep bringing out more and more videos every week to help educate you about purchasing and refinancing. So please share, like, and subscribe to us as we continue to further educate you. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great, wonderful week, and stay classy and make the right choice.
Stay classy, choicers.